Hello children, welcome to the video session of Standard 6 Civics Term 3 Unit 1 and the lesson name is Democracy. In this lesson we are going to discuss about what is democracy, types of democracy and aims of democracy.
Learning objectives: to know the meaning of democracy, to know the types of democracy, to know and appreciate the structure of our constitution, to know the aims of democracy. First, let us know what kind of society did the early man live in. In the beginning, they were hunters and gathered food. Later, they settled near rivers and practiced agriculture. After centuries of struggle and many sacrifices, we got freedom from British colonialism. And we adopted democracy as our ruling system when our country got freedom. Let us know what is democracy. Democracy is government of the people, by the people, for the people. The citizens of a country select their representatives through elections. Thus, they take part in the direct governance of a country. This is termed democracy. In a democratic form of government, a considerable amount of power lies with the people of that nation. People can participate in the politics of the country and decision-making processes. There are varied types of democracy in practice around the world. Among those, direct democracy and representative democracy are the most popular forms of government. The birthplace of democracy is Greece. What is direct democracy? In a direct democracy, people have the power to frame laws. If we consider your sports club as an example, you all can discuss and amend laws and rules. The perspective of each member is considered and each one expresses his view. But how will you take a final decision? The choice of the majority will be accepted. The others will also give their consent. In a direct democracy, only the citizen can make laws. All changes have to be approved by the citizen. The politicians only rule over parliamentary procedure. Switzerland has had a long history of a successful direct democracy. Let us know what is democratic decision making. In the system of democracy, the power to take decisions does not lie with the head. On the contrary, a group holds the power but adheres to the rules and regulations. All the members of the group hold open discussions and take final decisions only when everyone is convinced. This is called democratic way of decision making. The given picture represents the direct democracy and representative democracy. Let us know what are the rights given in our constitution. Our constitution ensures freedom, equality and justice to everyone. Other features found in our constitution are: it defines the political principles, the structure of the government institutions and methods to follow these rules and regulations, the powers and responsibilities. And also it fixes the rights and duties and the directive principles of the citizen. Thus, our constitution provides a structure to us. Indian constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. It is drafted by drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. That is why we call him the chief architect of our constitution. Aims of democracy. Democracy is defined as government of the people, for the people and by the people. In a democracy, the power is vested in the hands of the people. For that, the people should have rights to take decisions. Everyone cannot participate in decision making. So, the representative government elected by the people to form a democratic system, all those who attain the age of 18 are given the voting rights to elect the representatives. At the same time, the representatives have the responsibility to protect the welfare of the people. World democracy. New Zealand is the first country to allow women to vote in 1893. Voting rights to women were given in 1918 and 1920 in the UK and USA respectively. At the same time, the wealthy alone were given the voting rights in India. Many leaders like Mahatma Gandhi kept insisting on giving voting rights to all. Now in India, all the people above 18 years of age enjoy universal adult franchise. The World Statistical Data on Democracy declares that 79% of the Indian citizens have faith in the democratic system. Hence, India ranks first among the democratic countries of the world. Children, let us know the oldest democracies in the world from the given table.